Hi, this video is about sharing in a given ratio. It says Johnny has 24 apples and decides to share them with Nathan and Zara in the ratio 3:5. How many apples does each person get? So the total number of parts here, well, we've got a ratio of 3:5, so it's going to be 3 plus 5, which means that's 8 parts. What we're going to do is find out what one part is worth, how many apples one part is worth. So to do that, one part will be 24, because there's 24 apples, divided by 8 parts. And that tells me that there will be 3 apples for each part. So Nathan gets 3 parts, so that's going to be 3 times 3, which is 9 apples. And Zara receives 5 parts, so it's going to be 5 times 3, because each part's worth 3 apples, which is 15 apples. So Nathan will get 9 apples, Zara will get 15 apples, and note that 9 plus 15 does add up to 24, and that's a little check that you can do. So this has been a video to show you how to share a ratio share something in a given ratio. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.